The market tests resistance before pulling back in what appears to be the start of wave 2. This is Invest with Jacob. So yesterday, guys, we told you that the market needed to push through 42.12 and then follow through 42.20 to indicate it would be on a direct path to 43.50. It shot up to 42.13 but was unable to hold and pulled back in what looks like the start of wave 2. We'll get into that in just 1 second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard. This is Invest with Jacob, and I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, so yesterday we gave you clear parameters on the top and bottom of the channel, with 42.12 being resistance and 41.88 being support. We tested the top and then went down and tested the bottom and pushed through the bottom just a little bit before bouncing back up at the close. So I do want to talk about our support and resistance levels and how those work, because it seems like there's some confusion in our chat room. So when we go to a support or resistance level, in this case let's say support, and the support is 41.88. For support to be broken, the price needs to move down through 41.88 with follow through and continue a sustained move. Simply poking through that number and then going back above it is not breaking support. That is simply testing support. So until we see a sustained move in either direction, whether it be up through 42.12 or down through 41.88, we are still in the channel that I mentioned yesterday. However, the action today was corrective, and it does look like a wave 2 pullback is in place. If that is the case and wave 2 has begun, we have our target area with which to buy, and we're going to jump into the chart and take a look at that right now. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute SPX chart, and here's that spike up to 42.13 that I'm calling the top of wave 1. All right, after that, we came down, bounced around, pushed through 41.88 down to 41.83, and then moved back above it at the close. So we haven't really broken 41.88 support. We've just come down and tested it. However, with us hitting our target at the top for wave 1 and correctively pulling back, this is starting to look like a wave 2, and that's what we're looking for. So if it is wave 2, we're expecting an ABC type structure that will pull us back into either the 382, the 0.5, or the 618 retracement, which is common for wave 2s. That support level is from 41.53 down to 41.18. So when we get down into this box, we will look for a reversal and a chance to enter there. Now there are two other options to consider. Since we did not break through 41.88 up here and bounced up, we could see a move back up over this high, and if we do and break through 42.16 through 42.20 with a sustained move, then we would take that more direct path towards 43.50, and we would look to enter up here and catch the back half of the run, as I spoke about yesterday. So not a whole lot has changed since yesterday. The same parameters are in place. 41.88 is still support. 42.12 is still resistance. Once we break through one of those with a sustained move, we will have clear indication of how the market intends to move forward from this position. Right now, it looks like the futures are trading up slightly, about 9 points. And that indicates we could be in a little bit of a bounce here before a move down. So tomorrow we're going to watch 41.88 and see if we can break that support level on our move down in wave 2. And if not, and we race higher, then we will be watching 42.12 for a breakout to the high side. Okay, guys, if you're new here, I give real-time market updates on my Slack channel. It's free to join. All you have to do is get in my Facebook group. There's a link down below. Okay, click that link, join my Facebook group. The only requirement is you subscribe to this channel and you like my Facebook page. Jump in that Facebook group. You can get on our chat channel where you can get my real-time updates for the market. We'd love to have you in there. It's a community of people learning to trade where they can ask questions and I answer them in real time for them as the market is moving. Okay, guys, so key takeaways for tomorrow are going to be very similar to yesterday's. We're watching 41.88 and we're watching 42.12. A sustained break of either of those levels gives us a clear picture on how the market intends to move forward. With either one of those moves, we will find an entry point to conduct our next trade, looking to target 43.50 to the high side. All right, guys, that is the update for today. Happy trading. I will talk to you tomorrow.